I can't even speak. Got a poached egg lodged in the roof of my throat. It's better. I was going to say Bungay. You try and say Bungay after a poached egg. Bungay Castle is obviously having work done to it. It's a random shed been put there at the bottom, and no work people. I wasn't trying to be politically correct then by saying people. I can say no workmen. They're probably all in the cafe having poached egg. What's this here? Castle Link. Castle Link. Timber walkway leading to the Castle Lane, the Castle Hills, the River Waveney. Please proceed with caution, keep to the walkway. It's got a padlock on it. It's closed currently to visitors. Another time then. Nice sunny, chilly, but not too chilly, November day in Bungay.